Racing just is started. We have Win King Eye, break quickly to start. Green Lexter, and on the outside, Born Free. Then next online now is entry number 6. This one is the real thing. Palasig in the middle. Shining Gold. Then next online is Encouragement. Jagito, My San Diego. Next online now is entry number 3, the real thing. While Jetborn is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Winkin Eye down on the inside, Green Lexter, and on the outside comes Born Free, moving up on the outside now is Encouragement. Jagito, Shining Gold is down on the inside. Next on that is My San Diego. Down on the inside now is the real thing, Palasig, second last, while Jetborn now racing in last. And at a far turn, the lead now belongs to Born Free by about 2 lengths. And in second, Winking Eye. Then here comes Encouragement. Now moving up to take second, Jagito. And Shining Gold comes next. And as they swing for home, we have Born Free by about 3 lengths. Encouragement in second. And on the outside, Jagito with about 100 meters of the race. Born Free this time by about 6 lengths, followed by Encouragement, and finally it's Born Free, Encouragement, Shining Gold, Jetborn.